A group of MPs is calling for urgent changes to the way many murder cases are dealt with in England and Wales. Part of the law known as joint enterprise is being used to charge and prosecute entire gangs with a serious offence such as murder. It allows courts to jail individuals for life even if they didn't strike the fatal blow. The Director of Public Prosecutions has agreed to produce new guidelines spelling out the level of involvement needed to charge someone with murder.
Joint enterprise is often used in complex cases like the murder of Stephen Lawrence. It allows the courts to convict a whole gang, even if just one of those gang members was directly responsible for the killing and delivered the fatal blow.
When you get so many appeals, so many questions from juries, and so many learned people telling us as witnesses that it needs to be clarified, you can't deny that, and we think it should be clarified and clarified by Parliament.
MPs say the law needs to spell out exactly when and how an individual present when a crime takes place can be convicted of a serious offence. At the moment, they say the situation is unacceptably confusing and may stop witnesses coming forward.
This seems to me a perfectly sensible proposal, although the Justice Committee realises it would need parliamentary time to get legislation through, and it may not be something that will attract much sympathy. After all, many people may say, well, if you go out with somebody else and one of your co-conspirators, somebody in the gang, kills somebody, well, you're just as responsible as the person who wielded the knife or pulled out the gun.
The Crown Prosecution Service has agreed to draw up guidance setting out the level of involvement needed to charge a gang member with murder. Jim Reid, BBC News.